High winds, flames, and flakes from morning to afternoon in Boulder County's Carriage Hill community.
It's those conditions up in the mountains, and we just all need to be alert for it.
Seth McKinney, Fire Management Officer for Boulder County Sheriff's Office, part of the 40 first responders putting out the small wildfire in the gated community around 4 a.m. Flames sparked by a downed power pole in the high winds.
We'd kind of been planning, for this event, so people were upstaffing their engines, putting their resources on notice.
Notice also going to 176 phones in the area. Be prepared to evacuate. Deputies also alerting door to door.
Given recent events in Boulder County, we're really taking no chances with evacuations, and we try to be as deliberate as we can about that.
Particularly in high wind conditions.
We've got the fuels, that haven't greened up yet and therefore still really dry. And then combination of winds, and it doesn't make anybody, especially firefighters, feel warm and fuzzy inside.
National Weather Service looking at trends in the foothills, hoping that wind-driven anxiety can calm down in the coming months.
Usually high wind events tend to peak between late fall and early spring around here, especially January and December. So we're kind of on the tail end of the high wind season.
But with what McKinney's seen recently,
for now, we just go day by day. And so asking people to bear with us, be ready, and of course, stay flexible.